lockspot.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking a Master 9140D out of the package. I'll just stick a bit of blue tack there. It's 5 out of 10 security. Not sure what picks or wrench to use, so we'll see in a second. Lovely little padlock, like the titanium range, brass core, key works nice. That's the bitting. I've not even looked at that yet. Spin this round. I did pick one of these at work a long time ago. That was so quick. Nice little lock to pick. That's a Master 9140D single pin picked out the package. So if you are newbies to Lockspot, guys, why not come visit us at www.uklockspot.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.